Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am at Penrith. To start off with, on platform 3 we have a Katoomba service. V33 is the set. After Penrith, this train will stop at Emu Plains, then Lapston, Glenbrook, Blaxland, Warramoo, Valley Heights, Springwood, and then all stations to Katoomba. Terminating service, arriving into platform number 1. Waratah A67.
The train on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop Kingswood, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University.
Hornsby service departing platform number 2, A32. Emu Plains service arriving into platform number 3, T97 leading.
Adult Oakley customers pay no more than $15 a day and $60 a week for unlimited travel. Get your Opal card today at selected retailers or at opal.com.au.
V32 arriving into platform 2, Sydney Terminal service. V32 is just about to depart platform number 2 for a Sydney Terminal service, stopping first at Blacktown. With T78 trailing the Emu Plains service. The train will stop at Emu Plains only. Arriving on platform 3 we have V35 bound for Springwood. This will be an all stations service. Emu Plains service departing platform number 3, T71 leading and T77 trailing.
Macquarie University. First stop, Kingswood, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, and then the next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University.
That's A80 out of platform 1. It is a Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Its next stop will be Kingswood. These are arriving into platform 3, Blue Mountain service, B19.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University. First stop, Kingswood, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta.
We have an Oscar about to pass through platform number 3. It is an empty train. H51 is the leading set.
Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then North Ryde, Macquarie Park, Macquarie University, Epping, and then all stations to Hornsby.
H33 is the trailing set. Approaching platform 2, we have a North Sydney service. After Penrith, this train will stop at Kingswood, Warrington, St Mary's, Mount Druitt, Rooty Hill, Doonside, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Toongabbie, Pemberley Hill, Wentworthville, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Grand Horse, Clyde, Auburn, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Burwood, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, and North Sydney. T77 is leading. T71 is the trailing set. Emu plane service arriving on platform 3. On platform number 2 we have V27. This is a Sydney terminal service. V45 departing platform 1 for a central service.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Macquarie University.
Lithgow service arriving into platform 3. V46. Lithgow service now departing platform 3. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching and goodbye for now.